Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's start on it now. So guys, if a cigarette lighter doesn't work, multiple things will need to be checked. First, we need to start by checking some fuses, of course, guys. Now here we need to go ahead, open the hood on that Dodge Ram, guys, and once we open the hood, here on the driver's side you have the car battery. In front of it, that's the main fuse box here. Press these two tabs at the same time, leave that cover, open it. Underneath you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. We need to check up to 4 different fuses for cigarette lighters, then we'll explain what else can cause it not to work. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. If a cigarette lighter doesn't work, let's zoom in and we explain which fuses you need to check. Guys, please make sure it's 10 tuned in. We want to give you one quick advice, that way you don't end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. So what we need to check here specifically, guys, okay? We need to check first fuse number 39, okay, 39, okay, you may or may not have this one depending on which type of cigarette lighters you have. It will be right here. The next fuse that you need to check is 104, next to it. Okay, next you need to check, guys, fuse number 93, which will be that fuse here. And some of you, if you have a rear cigarette lighter, you may have that fuse here. It will be either 90 or 91, depending on which, if it's positioned to the left or to the right, but it will be that fuse here. Other things that can cause cigarette lighter not to work could be bad cigarette lighter socket. If you want to see how to replace cigarette lighter socket on a car, we have videos on our YouTube channels that will teach you how to do that, but those are the most common things that we see here, guys, at the garage that causes a cigarette lighter not to work on Dodge Ram. So guys, you have all kinds of different fuses and relays. Some of those are very specific, they're hard to find, especially if you're in a small town or in the middle of nowhere. One time we needed a replacement, we couldn't find one, and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere for a few days until we got a shipment on the internet, guys. So keep some spares in your glove box for peace of mind. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.